So let's play marketer for a second. So imagine walking up to someone at a networking event and saying something like, "Hey, we do stuff. It depends. What do you need?" That's what AI sounds like when you haven't clearly defined your offer. So many businesses jump into automation, AI generated content, custom GPT buildouts, but they skip that one crucial thing, which is explaining what you're selling and why should anyone care you're selling it. Welcome to Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI and even more in on building brands that can scale without losing their soul. I'm Sandeep, and today we're going to dive into episode 5 of our Brand Behind the Bot mini-series. So we're talking about your core offer today and why AI cannot write compelling content, cannot convert leads, or help you close deals if you haven't nailed this step first. So let's face it, when you ask most founders or marketers, what do you sell? You don't usually get a very clear answer. You'll get things like, well, it depends, or we're kind of like an agency, but we're also a platform. We help businesses scale. So none of these things are offers. It's just creating confusion, but you're dressing it up in buzzwords. So if you can't really describe what you do, how is your AI assistant supposed to help you pitch it, right? It's like garbage in, garbage out. So if you're going to use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or even your own custom sandbot, and your offer isn't clear, here's what's going to happen. Your blog posts are going to sound vague and empty. Your sales copy is going to sound just like the next person. Email sequences are going to miss the hook. Responses are going to dance around instead of driving action. It's not that the AI is wrong, it's that it doesn't have anything specific to work with, and AI needs specifics to help you sell. So let's break it down. A strong core offer has a couple things. It defines a clear audience. So who are we selling this to? It defines a problem. What is this person struggling with? A clear result or transformation. What's going to happen when they buy, after they buy? A defined deliverable. What exactly are they going to get in their hands? You get bonus points if it's easy to say, easy to remember, easy to buy. Now compare these two things, right? We do customized digital solutions for small to medium-sized businesses in a variety of verticals. What does that mean, right? So no thanks. When your offer is tight and specific, you can feed that into your AI systems, right? You can say, write a landing page for your offer goes here. Write me 10 subject lines promoting the benefit goes here. Respond to this lead asking about the feature about our offer. And the results, suddenly your content starts converting. Your bots will start selling, your automations are gonna work, and it's all because you've anchored your content in clarity. So if you don't define your offer, here's what you can expect. Your GPTs are gonna talk in circles instead of closing deals. Your ads will get clicks but no conversions. Chatbots that are gonna get confused instead of clarify your user. Email campaigns that sound good but don't go nowhere. And you're gonna end up with a positioning problem for your brand. So in closing, AI is a force multiplier. It can scale your marketing, your messaging, grow your reach, but it cannot read your mind, and it definitely can't fix a fuzzy offer. So if you want AI to sell for you, you need to be clear on what it is you're selling first. This is Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI and even more in on clarity, consistency, and conversion. I'll see you in the next one.